Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I want to continue talk about 25 realistic way to make money. Okay, for the number 5 is become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charged between 880 1,259 and 1 million on average for a sponsor's Instagram post. While it may seem like a little star, singer, and athlete are the biggest influencer, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need a good, healthy following. The best platform to get started on is Instagram and TikTok. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first task of expose on their platform. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build a big Instagram audience. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, create your own online store and sell products, ads, affiliates link in your bio, sell your photo, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell match, get paid to appear at events and more. Number 6 is create an online course. Selling courses is one of the best way to make money online. If you are an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating course online. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have your own audience, start your own website. Some entrepreneur earn as much as 5,000 per month with online course. To create a popular and successful course, take inspires from trading course in your niche. Then look at the viewers. What are the aspects that people priced and what the thing people hate? How can you create something better than what already been created? Focus on creating content that solve the biggest complaints while emulating the positive aspect people rave about. The platform you sell your course on will determine how the best make money. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't have to do much to promote it. You can also set it and forget it. Maybe promote it to some blogs or on social media networks. However, if uh, the course is put on your own website, you might want to run ads to promote the course. You can also build an email list to promote future courses without needing to pay for marketing. Number 7 is publish an ebooks. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easy to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. In 2013, I created several ebooks in Amazon, and even though it did not make me rich, I still make money from it. You can choose the Hire a writer for your ebooks, a graphic designer to design the cover, and the manuscript editor to eliminate error from the content. When reaching the top, focus on keyword based on the popular reaches on Amazon. I often use the keywords tool, which allow you to find the word people use while searching, so you can craft your title around them. To generate sales from your ebooks, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. For example, you can give the best few copies of your books away for free. This help you create buzz on social media and get some review, which help you gain customers via social proof. Are effective strategy for promoting for your ebooks, including influencer making, influencer marketing, and video campaigns. Okay, for the eighth is start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest method for making money online. People who love writing trend to start blog with a nicest focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, at is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on various platforms from Shopify. Remove the checkout feature so you don't have to pay a subscription as you build it up. To WordPress, when you start a blog, focus on very specific keywords with a tight focus and continue to expand into other but still relevant categories as you grow and dominate new space. This will allow you build a massive blog over time. Remember, that design is also important for making a good first impression on visitor. There are 20 blog design inspirations to help you launch your blogs. Okay, that's all for me for this video. Thank you very much.